I'm gonna get my hair done today. Do knotless braids. Click that subscribe button. Alright guys, so guys, this is my whole hairdresser here. Big up yourself.
Hi guys. Woo, this thick hair.
Yes, the only person who could put their hand in my hair. Say that. I tried to blow it out, but it was failure. Alright, so guys, we're gonna do a little knotless braids today. Tonight, no, I'll just say today. We're gonna do knotless braids tonight. This is my first time putting the knotless braids, and I have confidence in my girlfriend in the back there because she knows how to handle the hair. You dig? I can't wait for y'all to see the end results. Yup, we're gonna get braided up. Let's get right into the video.
Yep.
Alright guys, so this is the first time I'm ever putting braids in my hair. First time trying this knotless braids. I was really excited for this. I blew out my hair before to kind of, you know, try to make it more manageable because, you know, I have a lot of hair. My hair is super thick, so I washed my hair, then blew it out, and I have 2 persons doing my hair just to have the process done faster. What are they doing inside here, Sadie? Tell me. She's not bothered. Run. Come on, come right here. Hey. 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 Only my tongue's my song coming up. My song coming up.
Big right?
Come on, everybody now. Hey. Man, we ride.
Top right. We don't put no feeling. We're trying to measure to see.
So Sharifa is the one starting off the braid, and Sharif is the one ending off the hair with the pink, adding on the pink to the end. The hair was already separated, everything was prepared, so it was just to go straight into finishing up this hair. Alright, with the 2 persons doing the hair, trust me, the process is done way faster, so get at them guys. You can't come wrong me.
And you got me like.
Go ahead.
What you want from me?
Woo!
Baby, you got me like ooh. Something that I do it. Me against the wall. Baby, you got me like
Woo!
just to get close to you. Love me, baby. You must be love on the brain, yeah. Must be love on the brain.
Boy, I gotta give you something from her body. And I said, baby, quickly. And I said, hit me, baby. You don't need to worry, she said. She never felt so right. Part of my righteousness and my immortality. I'm the obvious man in the world because I have you. And I promise you, my baby. And I said, yeah, baby.
What? What the f? You drink water, yeah?
Beautiful lady, she asked me my name, and I told her it's alright, yeah. From her body, and I said, baby, quickly. She said, ooh, and never felt so right. I said, hey, 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 hey.
Jag tycker att vi var lena. I don't think that. Sure.
And we know she's
Get one straight out, yeah?
What's your next
Everybody
song?
going to certain. Boy. That was just so caressing, man. That song was kind of hard.
Only you, only you. Ooh. To prove to you my love, so deep within. It seems that time is to love me more. What am I longing for? Baby, love me more. What am I longing for? Break so y'all can get some time to like, share, comment, and
Subscribe. Take all that there.
then a funny just
What you mix with? Spanish or Indian?
everything.
No.
So guys, that's it for the karaoke. I know y'all were well entertained by our beautiful voices. So we're back with the hair, showing y'all that we're almost to the top. I can't wait for y'all to see the end results. Don't forget to comment down below, okay? Hey y'all, so it is the next day. My hair is finished. I'm so sorry I wasn't able to show you all the finished product, but I'm going to do so shortly, right after I'm finished with my makeup, okay? So guys, this is the final look. Let me know if you're feeling this pink, guys. I'm loving the knotless braids, trust me. The hair feels very light. Guys, I did this hair. I'm about to head to Tobago. Don't forget to look out for that video. It's coming next Sunday. Guys, let me know what y'all think about the hair. Talk to me in the comments. So the hair took around 5 to 6 hours to complete, which flew by really quickly. But yeah guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, okay? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.